Hey guys, this is the Streamlight Microstream. This is another great EDC flashlight option. The Microstream is 3.5 inches in length and 0.6 inches diameter. The casing is made of aircraft aluminum, so it's drop or shatter resistant. It has an unbreakable, supposedly unbreakable LED. We'll see with time. The light weighs in at 1.4 ounces. It puts out 35 lumens of light from a single AAA that's stored right in here. So one other thing to notice is the O-ring sitting right here. So that also makes this light water resistant. The pocket clip is removable. You see it has a normal pocket clip in here where you'd wear it on your jeans, but it also wraps around for a reverse pocket clip here where you can wear it on the bill of your hat. So that the light operates by a push button tail cap. It's quite stiff, so it makes for a nice just tap on without clicking it on, or with some pressure it clicks on very nicely. So just as a reference, guys, this is just a standard size Zippo. I brought it in so you could get an idea of how big this light actually is. So let's go check out what kind of light this little guy puts out. That's it, guys. It's the Streamlight Microstream. Right now you can get it for about $22 on Amazon.ca. So a great little light, looks great, feels great. So I recommend you get one while the price is still so low. Thanks for watching.